Imagine cruising down a scenic highway with the wind brushing past your face, the open road ahead, and everything you need to live comfortably right behind you. Welcome to the future of mobile living, the 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a revolution in personal travel and compact living. This isn't your average RV. And it's definitely not a traditional tricycle either. It's the perfect fusion of both, designed for the eco-conscious, adventure-hungry traveler who wants freedom without compromise. Sleek, aerodynamic, and crafted with smart materials, this tricycle RV is redefining what it means to travel light yet live large. Powered by a state-of-the-art electric motor system, the 2026 model can reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour, making it ideal for both city commutes and long countryside adventures. The battery pack is solar-assisted, meaning while you ride, you're also charging. No more endless searches for charging stations or worrying about running low. On a single full charge, you're looking at a range of up to 300 miles, and with solar support, you can stretch that even further. Now let's talk design. From the outside, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Smooth curves, matte finish, LED ambient lights, and a panoramic windshield that gives you a full view of your surroundings. It's lightweight but durable, built using a carbon fiber composite that's strong enough to handle rough terrain but light enough to maximize efficiency. Step inside and you'll see why this tricycle is called a camper. It transforms. When stationary, the cabin expands using slide-out technology, creating a cozy micro-living space complete with a convertible bed, compact kitchen, and a workspace. There's even a wet bath with a water-saving shower and smart composting toilet, making off-grid living not only possible but comfortable. The kitchen is a marvel of minimalist design. A 2-burner induction cooktop, fold-out prep space, a mini fridge, and storage cabinets optimized with modular inserts. The entire living space is voice-controlled. Just say the word and your lights dim, your window shades adjust, and your climate settings change. It's smart living on 3 wheels. And safety. It's loaded. AI-powered navigation helps with route optimization and traffic alerts, while 360-degree cameras and collision sensors ensure safe maneuvering in tight spaces. The frame is reinforced with a roll cage structure, and the anti-tip technology gives it superior balance, even when fully loaded. For solo adventurers, digital nomads, and couples looking for a spontaneous weekend escape, this vehicle is a dream come true. Imagine parking it at the edge of a cliff with a sunrise view, or tucking it between trees at a hidden forest clearing. You don't need hookups, and you don't need a parking lot. Just space and the spirit to explore. The 2026 Futuristic Camper Tricycle RV is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. A bold declaration that we no longer need to choose between comfort and mobility, between sustainability and style. It's about freedom, it's about choice, and it's about living life your way, wherever the road might take you. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a home that could follow you to the ends of the earth, this might just be your next big investment. The future is here, and it rides on 3 wheels.